Recording.
Becky, show me that eye. Oh, pretty eye. Hey, Adam, stop hitting my butt.
Adam, do a little dance for the camera.
No, I want to see what it looks like.
Those quick turns aren't doing anything for my stomach later. On guard. Matthew, be gentle with that. Steven, come here and let me do your other boob.
You want this on? All right, popcorn.
Look at Mark's like Digimon. I gotta go get my camera. Hey, what's all this?
Okay, will we keep moving the wine because the children sometimes have a hard
Mommy,
time?
let's see popcorn, Mommy.
Yeah.
Becky, where did you get these?
Can we open our present?
You have to wait for Poppy.
Yes, open them.
What about
Poppy!
Well, Poppy, I'll have to catch up.
Poppy? Ooh, fabulous.
Are they the right size?
They're comfortable.
No, are they nice?
You don't?
What's this little one?
I don't know. I got different kinds for everybody. I'll wear them to work.
What do you got, Matt?
I didn't take it. That's why I don't know.
What do you got, Adam?
Cake.
Ooh.
Adam's eating the cake.
Yeah.
Wow. With little tools.
Oh, isn't that cool?
Treasure box.
Yes,
Treasure
for
box.
Matthew.
What's the deal? I gotta hold my wine? Is that? Oh, hey, where's the
Oh, Matt's gonna love that treasure box.
Should we open it up for you and you can look at all the things inside?
Oh,
That's a perfect gift for Matt. Who gave him that?
Aunt
Aunt Jenny?
I know, sweetheart.
Aunt Sarah?
Aunt Sarah? Aunt Sarah.
Mine, Mommy. Mine.
I know, Adam, that's more of a present for your mommy.
What do you say?
I wanted a cool thing.
Who said that?
This one mine, Mommy.
What, everybody heard?
Mommy.
Yeah, that is pretty lame, right, Adam?
It's Christmas Day and Santa's come. Let's play with me toys.
Yes,
Have
you can
some
eat that
fun,
too.
some
And then it
fun.
has the
Have
line
some
up.
fun.
Can
And
you
then
see the
you
slits?
write what your favorite present was over here. It says my favorite present is, and you write it over there. You can draw pictures. New
Matthew,
Year's,
you wanna
time
hear
to
about this
celebrate
box?
the coming's near.
No, no.
Oh, check.
Look at Daddy.
And then there's different points for different
What is a
jobs.
Hey, Matthew, what is
You
it?
take that one out and you
Well,
put
for
another one in
starters,
for a
it
different
is
kind
filled
of
with
job.
neat stuff. And it comes in a great box that you can use for your whole life. And it has a lock and keys so that you can keep all of your cool stuff safe from everybody. Like international jewelry thieves, siblings, and
Oh, you
other
got a
shady
treasure
characters.
And your mother.
It comes filled with things like stamps and coins from obscure and faraway places.
And other choking
secret
hazards.
codes, shiny rocks, stamps, marbles.
Ma,
and
did you
can
see
add
these
stuff
for the
to
kids?
your
Aren't they
own
nice?
cool stuff.
They're beautiful, aren't they?
Steve, what do you got?
A little tool.
Adam seems thrilled.
That is cool. And now what is in here?
Honey,
He's
what
like,
do you
where's the
think?
trigger?
Cool.
There's the
Isn't it
trigger.
nice?